All right, so the last question says that they want us to find the standard form of the equation of a circle, and it has endpoints that are a diameter. So you remember a radius is half, or from the center to the side, or diameter goes all the way through the center to the other side. So we can find the midpoint of that diameter, and that would be able to help us get the radius, okay? So this midpoint, we would take the x values, the -1 and the 7, add them together, divide by 2. Take the y values, add them together, divide by 2. So -1 plus 7 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. +1 plus -5 is -4. Divided by 2 is -2. So the center is at 3, -2. That's going to plug into our equation for the h value and for the k value. And then we can just use either of these two endpoints of the diameter to help calculate our radius. So I'm going to use the first one. So plug in the -1 and plug in the +1 and then just simplify. So -1 minus 3 is -4. Square that to get 16. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. We add the 16 and the 9 together to get the 25. And then if we want to just plug it into that equation, we'll plug in the 25 right here. It's barely squeezing in. All right. Thank you for watching.